grammar is overrated.
Hello?
Hold up. Hey, well, my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't.
Yeah, I know this is the painful process right now. However, once we are done with this, we're gonna do much more fun stuff. So don't worry so much. This is the jiut, which makes kind of like the J sound, I guess. Alright, let's add it. Ji, ji, cha, 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 cho, 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 즈, 즈, 주, 주, 조, 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 조. Alright. 바나나. Alright, 두 개. Alright, you guys cannot read this yet, but we just 주세요. 바나나. 두 개. 주세요. Now, 두 개 means two. And 주세요, it will be used in shopping or at the restaurant. It means give it to me. So this means give me 2 banana. Alright, so next thing is kill, which makes kind of like the k sound, I guess. So let's combine, it becomes ki. Ki. Ka. Ka. Kya. Kya. Ko. Ko. Kyo. Kyo. K. K. Ku. Ku. Q. Q. Ko. Ko. Kyo. Kyo. Camera. Anybody can guess what it means? Yeah, it's kind of hard, I know. It means camera. Alright, let's do with the next sound. It sounds like ch. So let's combine. Chi. Chi. Cha. 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 Cho. Cho. Ch. Ch. Chu. 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 Cho. 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 So this sounds like 차. 하나. 주세요. 차. 하나. 주세요. One tea, please. Now, 하나 is one. However, we'll go through it later, so don't worry about it. We're almost done. Tea. Repeat after me. Tea. Tea. 타. 타. 튀야. 튀야. 토. 토. 튀어. 튀어. 트. 트. 투. 투. 튜. 튜. 토. 토. 튜. 튜. Read this. You can read this. Note, that is possible, which means note. And we have done this earlier. 두 개. Repeat after me. 두 개. 주세요. 노트 두 개 주세요. 노트 두 개 주세요. Which is give me 2 notebook. Oh, this makes me hungry. P. P. 파. 파. 펴. 펴. 퍼. 퍼. 표. 펴, 펴, 프, 프, 푸, 푸, 퓨, 퓨, 포, 포, 표, 표. I don't need to explain this, right? 피자, 피자, 세판, 세판, 주세요. Now, pan would be the unit for counting pizza. However, don't worry about it. We'll go through that eventually anyway. So repeat after me. 피자 세판 주세요. 피자 세판 주세요. Very nice. Alright, the final one. He, ha, 하, 야, 야, 허, 혀, 혀, 흐, 후, 휴, 호, 효. Now if you guys remember, 가요 means I am going. And read this. 휴가, that is correct. So 휴가 가요. 휴가 가요. It means I am going on a vacation. So we have done 14 consonants and 10 vowels really fast. I know I have went through really fast, so I'll give you about a few minutes. Review this with your Korean partner, and the Korean partners try to make up more word with these consonants. Here we go. 인스타그램 아이디 뭐예요?
인스타그램 아이디 뭐예요?
인스타그램 아이디 뭐예요?